Hello, my name is Arda. I have 20 years of experience in animation, game design, and project management. I'm teaching in these fields in Istanbul Bilgi University, Digital Game Design Faculty, and Istanbul Beykoz University, Art and Design Faculty. Now, I'm organizing my courses for Udemy and Project Art Workshop. Let's come to our subject. I have a few questions for you. Do you want to make your own cartoon animations? Do you want to have a 3D animated promo movie clip for your games or applications? Or you just have ideas in your mind, but you don't know where to start to design an animation project? This course is just for you. During the course, we will use only free assets and packages, and we will finish a 3D cartoon animation from scratch. We will design a 30 seconds fun cartoony scene from the opening title to final rendered animation. First, we will start to finding the inspiration for our animation. We will write down a short script in two-column scenario format and design an animation storyboard. Next step, we will writing down our bucket list and putting together all the assets and packages we need. We will set up our Unity development environment and make it ready for animation production. I will show you how to design and decorate your very first animation scene, how to import and use premade animations and integrate them to your project, and how you can animate different body parts of a 3D rigged character. We will also animate different objects in our scene to reach high quality final product. We will use timeline to manage our cameras, animations, and audio. Finally, we will add post-processing effects and will be rendering our 30 seconds cartoony animation. I will share with you all the project sources. Somehow, if you're stuck in somewhere, open my Unity project folder and start from the point you want. Together, we will dive into Unity's real-time rendering revolution, which will affect a multi-billion-dollar industry soon. Come and join me for this journey today and become one of the pioneers of new generation animation development.